Yeah, another healthy drink recipe for people over 40. Keep watching, watch to the end, and know how we made this healthy recipe for people over 40. Since I clock 40, I do this recipe every week because I don't want to hear she's diabetical, she's hypertical, and so on and so forth. So today I will be showing you how you can make this amazing over 40 drinks recipe. Here we have a spinach, and we have two kiwis. We have also two um, cucumbers. We have one bunch of celery. Okay, guys. So this is what we're going to use. If you have ginger, you can also add it. You can also add your lemon if you have them. So, but I'm gonna use this for now here, guys. Just keep watching. And if today is your first day seeing my video, I am Chikwado, a mommy YouTuber that's based in Germany with the family. And consider to watch the end and also like our videos, share our videos to loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so by now. This recipe, I have already washed them. The ingredients, I have already washed them very properly. Now we are going to get started. Keep watching, guys. So now you go ahead to peel our kiwi and get it and set it aside. I will tell you the benefit of the kiwi. Kiwis are rich in vitamin C, copper, and vitamin K, and contain small portions of many other important nutrients. Their impressive nutrition profile supports many avenues of health, including digestion, weight management, and blood sugar control. They also support heart and eyes health and a healthy immune system. So after cutting it now, we are going to start to blend it. Kiwi is so good for our recipe. Keep watching. So guys, now we will begin to blend it. You guys have known, if you have been watching my channel or my videos since this month, you will have known the benefit of spinach, celery, and cucumber. And if you have not watched that video I made last time, I will add the link there up there. Click it and watch it, then you will know the benefit and what celery and the cucumber and spinach have gives to our body. So today is only the kiwi. I will explain very well why we are going to add it in our recipe today. And keep watching. You can see how I am adding it. I will add the kiwi now so that the juice from the spinach and the cucumber will bring it out. So if you have also blender, you can also blend it and sieve it. You can use water to bring all the juice out. So but I am using the juicer, and this juicer is giving it is giving this juicer is giving us what we want. It's making this juice wonderful. I love this juicer machine. So guys, keep watching. Do you see how greenish this our juice looks? It looks so healthy. So you can be drinking this every morning before you can take anything. Let it be 1 cup every morning before you can take anything, guys. Keep watching. So guys, more about the kiwi. So kiwi is so good that daily consumption of kiwi fruit has health benefits, which includes reduced blood clotting. They are also effective as a daily aspirin for heart health, low cholesterol, and with twice the antioxidant of apples have anti-cancer properties too. So you can go ahead to eat 1 or 2 kiwis daily, and your body will thank you later. So now we have finished blending this. Okay, yeah, I will blend the rest of camera. I don't want this video to be too long, but before I stop, I will show you also how you can use water to rinse this out, because we use kiwi and spinach. I will add more spinach now, and I will use this celery stick to bring all the water out. And if normal water needed, I will also add more clean water to bring all the juice out, guys. Just keep watching. If you are watched to this extent and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Share it because it is a healthy drink. Over 40 people, men and women, you need to drink this. Too much sugaring is no more good. When you clock 40, you have to reduce how you eat sugary things. Okay, yeah, this drink is very nice. So as I said before, if you have not watched the video I made, I will add the link in up there. Kindly check it out and you will let me know what you think about it. So now I will be using water, normal water, to bring out all the juice. You can see we have done, and I'm going to show you how dry the fiber inside looks. You can go ahead and make use of this fiber. You can even use it. You can use it to make some porridge. You can use it in anything. Look at how dry this the fiber is. So go ahead to make use of it if you need it. You can use it to make any porridge. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Now I will show you the outcome of this juice. Yeah, because the juice are not properly mixed, I will add it here now, and I will mix them together before I can add some in the fridge. So you can remember that you can use ice when it is hot to drink your cereal, kiwi and cucumber juice. You can also drink it like that. The rest of it, you can also add it in your fridge. You can stay 3 to 4 days in your fridge and it's still good. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will say thank you, and I will see you next time in my next video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Have you tried this drink before? Have you started drinking this? Are you still drinking sweetened things, sweetened juice? Yeah, sometimes you can take sweetened things, but not too much. Over 40, you have to reduce some sweetening things. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye for now. You can also add your honey to make it easier for you to drink. Some people cannot drink it. It's not too bitter. It's not bitter anywhere, but you can add honey. Okay, bye.